Do you need to find a WordPress page ID or post ID but are not really sure how to do it? So welcome back to WPGlob, where you can find all the answers to your questions. First of all, I'm Sona, and in this tutorial we'll cover two quick methods of how to find your page and post ID in your WordPress website. So first of all, we'll cover a strategy with plugin, with the use of a WordPress plugin, and the other method is without the plugin. For each strategy I will use clear and detailed steps, and you can use this video as a quick guide to make your experience easier and smoother. So let's get started. But first of all, let's understand what are WordPress page and post IDs. So basically, every piece of content on your WordPress website has an individual ID number. Why do we need this? So the answer is that there are ID numbers that help to organize content within your website database. So now let's move to our WordPress dashboard to start our experience. Firstly, let's find out your page and post ID without the plugin. All you need to do is to go to pages and then go to all pages, where you need to choose the one that you need to find ID for. In my case it's privacy and policy, and in the upper part, as you see, is the ID, and basically that's it. And this way can also work for other content. Firstly, let's find out your page and post ID without the plugin. All you need to do is to go to pages and then go to all pages, where you need to choose the one that you need to find ID for. In my case it's privacy and policy, and in the upper part, as you see, is the ID, and basically that's it. And this way can also work for other content. In case if you want to find the ID of your tags and categories, you need to go to posts and then choose tags or categories. And now we'll choose a category, plugin review, and go there. In the upper part you can find in the URL you can find the ID of your category. The same way it works for also tags and other content types too. Well, basically we are done with this, and now it's time to use a WordPress plugin to find your page ID and post ID. So using a WordPress plugin to find a page ID and post ID is very useful if you want all those IDs displayed in just one user menu. So we'll use Reveal IDs, which is a famous free WordPress plugin that helps to find your website's post ID and page ID. So it's easy to install, and it works very flexibly and user-friendly. Now let's move to steps, and I will show detailed guidance how to use the plugin, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Here the first step is to install the plugin. Go to plugins page, press add new, where you can search for the plugin you are looking for, in this case Reveal IDs, and all you need to do is to install the plugin and then activate it. Now it's time to go to pages, where we can basically see the IDs demonstrated in your screens. Now you can see them, and the same way we can do for posts. Here I believe in your screens you can find the IDs for my posts. Please note that it is also possible to remove the IDs if you don't want to see them for a while. All you need to do is to go to screen options of posts and remove IDs, and then apply your changes, and that's it. Now you cannot see the IDs at all, and the same you can do for pages and any other content in your WordPress website. Remove just IDs and apply your changes. Congratulations, we have reached till the end, and as you may have noticed, finding a WordPress page or post ID is a very easy and quickly process, whichever method you choose, no matter. So of course both methods can be also used to find other content IDs such as posts, categories, and tags no matter what. So the only thing you need is one of these methods, and now you have all the skills and knowledge to do so. Thanks for watching, and in case of any further questions, don't forget to write down in the comments and subscribe to our channel.